Why? Why do we need a single theory for everything? The Egyptian architect Professor Ibrahim Karim founded a science called BioGeometry. BioGeometry is a science that deals with the energy of shape. It uses shapes, colors, motion, orientation, and sound to produce vibrational qualities. It uses the term physics of quality, which is not quite widely acknowledged, however it does give some answers. Biogeometry has a great potential to build strong scientific bridges between the theory of relativity and quantum mechanics, and can lead to major scientific breakthroughs in many fields. You can consider biogeometry and string theory as two sides of the same coin. When you dig deeper in the concepts of compactification, T-duality, conformal mapping, and several others in string theory, and compare them with the concepts of resonance harmonics, vibrational qualities, and others in biogeometry, you do realize that they are two sides of the same coin, and you do realize the great value of understanding and linking all these interesting fields of science together. One example of the experiments and applications of biogeometry was a very interesting experiment using salt water for irrigation of freshwater plants. There is a concept in biogeometry stating that energy plus shape gives a certain function. This experiment, done in May 1998 by engineer Adel Ammar to test the possibility of using biogeometry to enhance freshwater plants to grow in salt water, the 2-month experiment showed astonishing results. Engineer Adel Ammar, who used water from the Red Sea area of Sokhna in Egypt, which has a very high salinity, to plant sweet potatoes. A control potato was given fresh water and another control one was given the salt water. For the third potato, special biogeometrical shapes were used for the water container, the water channel, and the plant pot. The experiment lasted for 2 months. The control potato that was given salt water shriveled by the end of the day, while the biogeometrically treated one fared very well and budded normally. It fared slightly better with time as the one given fresh water started to show signs of decay. Other experiments with similar results were tried with other herbs planted in the garden in a special biogeometrically shaped boundary and water containers. Probably what happened here is that the researchers managed to change the energy function of salt water to perform the same function of fresh water, or even better, through using specific shapes. Now, if we manage to reach to firm physical equations to achieve the same results every time the experiment is done, that would be a major breakthrough. We would be able to use seawater for irrigation. In other words, if we manage to somehow control the performance of the strings through energy, shape, and resonance, that would lead to huge breakthroughs in science.